Tired of scrubbing your oven for hours? Here's a hack that makes it sparkle in just 30 seconds. Welcome back to another quick home hack. Today, I'll show you how to clean your oven fast, with almost no effort, and using things you already have at home. Definition: oven cleaning doesn't always mean heavy chemicals or hours of scrubbing. This hack is a quick method to loosen grease and wipe it away in seconds. Why importance? A dirty oven not only looks bad, but also affects how your food tastes and even makes your kitchen smell. Keeping it clean saves you time and keeps your cooking healthier. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a splash of lemon juice or vinegar. 2. Place it inside your oven and heat for about half a minute. 3. The steam softens grease and grime instantly. 4. Take a cloth and simply wipe away the loosened dirt. Tools explained. You'll need a microwave-safe bowl, lemon juice or vinegar, and a clean cloth. That's it. Workflow. Steam loosens the grease, then the wipe removes it. No scrubbing, no waiting, no strong cleaners. Quick tips for extra shine. Finish by wiping with a dry microfiber cloth. Do this once a week and your oven will never build up heavy grime. Cost comparison. A bottle of oven cleaner can cost several dollars and leave behind strong smells. This hack costs just a few cents using natural ingredients you already have. And that's how you clean your oven in 30 seconds. Try this hack today and keep your kitchen fresh and spotless. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more quick home solutions.